Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to recover a deleted post on TikTok app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on Activity Center. Go ahead and click on Recently Deleted. And you are going to see all deleted posts right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the one you want to restore. Just like so. Then go ahead and click on Restore. Restore this post. Go ahead and click on Restore. And the post will be successfully restored. By the time you go back to your TikTok, you'll find the post on your TikTok profile back right here, including the few that you have generated so far with the post. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use TikTok like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.